Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this. It's kind of shows you that an old dog can learn new tricks. I got this from the person I was trying to help. So I'm going to Control D. We're making a mirror image and I'm holding down the control button. And then I use the transparency tool. And I've only ever done this, which makes it transparent totally. And he said, and I might have known this, but I'd forgotten it. With the transparency docker, you can take this right here and swipe down, and then it's going to put that part into like the abyss, I call it. So you can swipe it down, much like the interactive fill tool, and it's pretty cool. So what you do, you get the transparency docker, and instead of sliding the bar and make it transparent, which you could, and then maybe you could do this and maybe even make it, well, it just brings it back to white. But you could do any direction, and you don't have to do that direction. You could go across. You could actually maybe change the color. Well, that just turned it to white. Let's turn it to yellow. Well, maybe I'm not grabbing. Yeah, it's only going to be the transparent part. So it's either going to be black or white. And then of course you could do your scale, slide your scale back and forth and get it whatever you want. Anyway, I hope that helped you someday, and thank you for watching.